Hey guys, what's up, man? It's 29 July 2020, and I am in two trades that are profitable. All right. So good to know, good to see, good to be starting off right in profitable trades. So let's jump right into the analysis and see if we should take profits or we should buy more or we should close the trades or buy something else or sell something else. Let's go, man. All right, so Aussie dollar is trend is up, red line is up, blue line is up. So over the next 1 week, with price were to come stay consistently being around here, there would be probably no chance for it to come down for it to come down. So but that being said, for price to be at it paused for 2 days and then went back and went up, so it's a nice picture. I think it's looks like it's gonna be today it's gonna be pivotal in terms of the price. It actually reached a new high, so in terms of test a new high and then came back down, so we definitely want to see more upside to it. um, Disappointingly is that it's kind of set up for a bearish divergence in the blue line, so that might be a bit scary in terms of the for the short term. So if price don't close up higher, we might need to close the trade for this event. But good that we're making some profits today, so we'll hold it there. Stop loss wise, it's good to keep it there, but we could actually shift the stop loss a bit more. But for now, we could just keep it there for now. I think that's good enough. Cotton trend is up, red line is down. We'll skip this. It's cross current, no chance of it turning up together. Expecting it to be choppy. This is up, trend line is up, red line is flat to down, and blue line is down. So over the next couple of days, you'll take off these numbers, and we'll see a choppy market for euro yen. So no trades for that. Euro dollar. So euro dollar, we yesterday I was saying that it's due for some kind of a pause. We could look to buy if price gets attractive over the next couple of days. But as of now, we're seeing that it kind of slowed down a bit in terms of the blue line. A pink line, which is the trend, and red line is the midterm trend line. It's actually upwards, so favoring long in favoring long in the longer term. So we will not touch this. We will not touch this, and we'll just let it continue to ride. So we're in good profits. Pound yen. This is trend is a little bit up. But over the next 1 week, we will start to catch up and get to this high. So expecting it to be very choppy markets over here. So but it make a series of higher lows, so that's a good sign. So if anything, we could actually start to look to buy, but let's see. So if we were to take over the next couple of days, it should start to become flat, and if it starts going up, we could actually look to buy. But I'm not liking the picture over here in terms of in terms of it being, unless price starts to run away, we don't see any chance, any good opportunities. In 2 4 6 8 10, in 2 weeks time, if prices don't get around up to the high, it become very flat, so it's not the best trade. Although if I were to take more risks, I'm definitely favoring long, but just because it has not been showing signs upward movements, um, it's a bit hard to make a trade right now. So price may run away. I'm very 50-50 on a pound yen. Favoring a little on the buy side, but probably not take a trade. I would just review on this. Yeah, I think I'll skip this trade and just observe. Just because of the lower highs, higher lows made over past few weeks. Looks pretty interesting to buy, but not buying buying due to the weaker trend line. Okay, so I'm not gonna take this trade. I think I'm just gonna play it safe for now. For pound, we missed the boat, I would say. Um, and over the next 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So it's a pretty good place to be at for pound dollar. We actually went up. We missed this trade, I think, largely because the trend over here, over the past 3 4 days, things will start to catch up. I think I over anticipated over here, where we actually should, not look so far ahead. That being said, if we look at pound yen, can we make a case for a trade? So 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, it's pretty much the same situation for pound yen as well, where we could look to buy, but we don't know if it's a good decision. But pound dollar proves to show that we should have taken the trade. If just by looking at within the margin of error over the next 5 days at least, so 245, we could actually make a case of a trade. So yeah, so I think it's good to look back at the margin of error for trend line. How many days? I think I should relook at my notes, because I lost quite a sizable upwards movement of the trade. So that being said, can we enter now? Let me see. So this is on a recent high, and this is high up. So don't see any chance of it turning back down in the short term. So red line is definitely up. But will it pause? Chances are it will pause. If you look at the past couple of the past price movements, will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 days of upwards. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're very close in terms of for the pullback. In terms of the trade, this is 2233. So it's about 400 pips. And if I were to look at this, is wait, let me see again. Sorry. So 2260, and then close so it's about 500 pips over here in terms of the upswings. Over here it's 255, 400. Yeah, it's 400. So there isn't much of a upside for us to take right now over here. I think we just got to review. I think it's a trade that we just missed it. I think it's fine, but good to learn from it. So we're just gonna move on from here. Gold start to pause. I don't know. Could buy, but I don't like to buy gold. Hitting oil over the next couple of 1 week, we will see that we take off these lower numbers. Trend would be very flat in terms of the red line, whereas this trend is upwards. This is like flat, so not the best looking trade to buy, so I'll skip that. Live cattle is flat, yes, and a little bit of upwards, but yeah, but so this is like very close to, I mean, don't really want to trade this because it's not the strongest trend, like you take like 5, 6, 7 days, and then you'll be like, the price will be pretty, so it's flat, over here versus the new pricing. So we'll skip that. Okay, the loonies wise, we are looking at a situation where trend is getting flat, downwards over the past couple of months, and this is like at its low in terms of the blue line, and then as it takes off these lower numbers, the red line is still gonna stay at this area, but what I'm worried about is that because of the low low numbers they are at, probably have some kind of a pause before it um, start to go back down further. So until that happens, I think we're not going to take the trade. So I think that's all for today. I'm considering if I should buy pound yen, pound dollar even, but such a difficult decision on this. Okay, I think I'll not make the trade because I don't want to be in a situation where I have fear of missing out. So I'll just observe how things go from here. All right, guys, good that we're in profits. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.